So you can see, like, let's get firewood so that I can make fire. Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Africa and Mkunda of Africa, and Mkunda means the daughter, and I am the daughter of Africa. Guys, today I'm cooking at my place, and I'm going to cook pap and vegetables mixed with eggs. So I grew up in the village, and we used to eat this meal. And this meal, I promise you guys, it's a good meal. If you want to try it, you can try it. I'm going to share the recipe with you. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So let's get the vegetables from the garden. Speaking, I like red too much. Red. Yes, the vegetables are enough. I don't want too many of these. Let's go and wash the veggies. These are my vegetables. As you can see, guys, let's go and prepare our food. I'm cutting the vegetables. So my father used to call me Boshwe because I use left hand, and Boshwe means left. So that's what he used to call me. And I used to say, if he calls me like Boshwe, I used to say Baba, running, going to him. Can you imagine? But at this age, you can't call me Boshwe. I will ignore you. I'm done. Let's see the pot. We have milling in this bucket, a very small bucket. My nephew is acting funny. Kithika. Let's cook the pep. The water should boil like this. That's how I cook the pap. Use the musika to break the lumps. This. Close the pot. Leave your pot on the stove so that it can simmer. So guys, for you to cook the vegetables, you need cooking oil, you need eggs, and salt. You will be good to go. Add vegetables to the pot. This. You need salt. I don't like too much salt. So we believe in my culture. Tukaenda pamoto, utsi uchikuteera kwese kwauri kuenda, even if you change the side, if you go to another side, and utsi woramba uchiuya kwauri, we believe kuti wakarerwa kwaambuya. So I'm adding 2 eggs. So you can see like this. This is it, guys. Mix them together like this. The vegetables and the eggs. So guys, I don't add tomatoes. I like it like this. Make sure your pot is well cooked. You say pamsoro, you didn't cook.
Yeah. Sorry.
So did right. You don't go to Muda munyorudzi wakawanda.
Shome.
Nandi. Munyu wakawanda unopoa. Munyu wakawanda unofina. Izvezvi dei uri wabika sadza, dei wabika zigobwe.
Ngapezobika angobika tete man. Ngapezobika angobika dire.
Wakabika right.
Ngutaro na wafunga kuti wakadzira wanga.
Ndizvakudhara.